Okay, hi guys, hello. Welcome you all to Learncrew and for the exciting news for today is we had an overwhelming response for our previous set of videos, that is for Super 20 test series for IBPS Clerical. Now we are bringing you the new program just for your IBPS Clerical Mains, IBPS PO Prelims, Mains, and also for your RRB. So do not waste any further. You won't get this kind of content anywhere on the YouTube. So please do subscribe to the channel. And in case if you are planning to start your preparation for your banking, SSC or for your railways, do look no further. We are having an exclusive program designed for you people to crack the exam much more conveniently with a rigorous study pattern. So do stay subscribed and follow us for more details. Enquiry form is given below. Please fill it up. Our team will give you a call back and we'll reach out to you. Thank you very much.
So welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss IBPS RRB PO-Mains mock test 3 quantitative aptitude section paper analysis. So here see first question. A man invested quantity 1 and quantity 2 based questions. Quantity 1. A man invested 600 rupees in a scheme and received 30 rupees as simple interest after 2 years. After 2 years, find the rate of simple interest. So for 2 years, the simple interest is 30. For 1 year, it is 15. So rate of interest would be 15 is what percentage of 600? It is 2.5 percentage. Thereby, quantity 1 is 2.5. Quantity 2. Karthik bought a cycle for 2500 rupees. He spent 500 rupees on its maintenance. So total cost price is 3000. If he marked it at M percentage and sold it for 3050 after offering discount of 3000, after offering a discount of 250, find the value of M. So the discount percentage we need to find out. Cost price is 3000 and selling price is 3050. Discount is 250. Thereby the market price would be 3300. So the market price is some M percentage more on 3300 more. So 300 is 10 percentage of 3000. So M is 10 percentage. M is 10 percentage. So quantity 2, quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. So answer is option 2. Then second question. Second question. Please see, a vessel contains mixture of milk and water in the ratio 9:5 respectively. 168 liters of the mixture is taken out and is replaced with 48 liters of milk, such that the ratio of milk to water in the vessel becomes 15:7. 15:7. Find the initial quantity of water in the vessel. So if you see this also 9:5. 14 parts is 168, 9 parts is 108, 5 parts is 9 parts is 108, 5 parts is 60. So 108 and 60. So initially 9x from this 108 is taken and 48 is added, divided by initially 5x, 60 is taken out. This ratio is given as 15/7. So if you simplify this, you will get x as how much? 40. X as 40. So initially you have how much water? Initially you have 5x water. So quantity 1 is 200. Quantity 1 is 200. What about quantity 2? 4 pipes are attached to a tank and they together can fill the tank in 2250 seconds. If each pipe can supply water at the rate of 20 liters per 15 minutes, then find the capacity of the tank. So supplying capacity of each pipe is 20 liters per 15 minutes. When 4 such pipes are connected, 20 into 4, 80 liters per minute. 80 liters per 15 minutes. And see here, the capacity of the tank. The capacity of the tank would be how much? So 4 pipes are attached to the tank that together can fill the tank in 2250. So 80 by 15 into 60 into 2250. So how much you are going to get? 15, 60, 90, 90 into 4.5, 90 into how much? 90 into how much you are going to get? Am I correct or not? 80 into 15 into 60 is 900. 900 into 2.5. 900 into 2.5. Thereby tank capacity is 200 liters. 200 liters. So 200 liters, 200 both are equal. So answer is what? Both are equal. Option 4. Third question. See, I am explaining the paper a bit faster, considering this as a mains paper discussion because you already are well equipped with the basics. That's why you are entering into the mains examination. Again, I am not giving the things slowly, thereby it is of no use, right? So two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. The difference between the square of the numbers is equal to square of 36. So 5x square minus 3x square is 4x square, which is 36 square. Thereby I will get x as 9. So those numbers are 5x 45, 3x 27. If you see, find the difference between the digits of the smaller number. So how much you are going to get here? 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, smaller number is 27. 7 minus 2 is 5. Find the tens place digit of the larger number. Tens place digit would be how much? 4. So which is greater? Quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Am I correct or not? 44, what is the answer? Quantity 1, 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5 and quantity 2 is 4. So quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Next, x square minus 15x plus 54. So I will get x is equal to 6 comma 9. 3y square, 342 is 126. 126 means, so what we are going to get? Y here, y is equal to minus 19, 21, 342 is 126. 126, how I can write? 18 sevens are. So it is how much? 6 comma 7 by 3. 6 comma 7 by 3. X can be equal to y or x can be greater than y. So answer is fifth option. Fourth one, option 5. Then which of the following pair of symbols will define the relation between quantity 1 and quantity 2 and between quantity 2 and quantity 3 respectively? equal to, greater than, less than, greater equal to, lesser equal to, relation cannot be established. So here 45 you see A and B started a business together with an investment of 2400 and 3000. After 3 months C joined with an investment of 25% less than the investment of A. So it is 1800. So thereby if after a year they receive total profit of 9000. So you can say 6 4s are, 6 5s are, 6 3s are. 1800 is the investment. Thereby his investment is there for 12 months. His investment is there for 12 months, and as C joined after 3 months, his investment is there for 9 months. So again 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 3 4s are. So 16 is to 20, 16 is to 20, 36 is to 9. So 45 parts is 9000, each part is 200. C would be 9 parts, 9 into 200 would be 1800. Okay, C's share is 1800 here. And second quantity, if you see, quantity 2, 1750 rupees. Quantity 2 is 1750. Quantity 2 is 1750. So you can say C quantity 1. Quantity 1 is 1800. Quantity 2 is 1750. So what you can say now? First one is greater. First one is greater. So greater means B. So you have the option B here, only here. So quantity 1 is 1800, quantity 2 is 1750. So 1800 is greater than 750. Greater than means here B. Starting with B, you have only one option. That's why the answer is 2. I need not even check any other, right? Now next, a group contains 6 boys and 8 girls. Out of the boys, 2 are undergraduate and rest are postgraduate. So boys are 6. Out of them, 2 are UG. And the rest 4 are PG. Girls are 8. Out of them, 3 are UG and the rest are PG. A committee of 7 members is to be formed such that the committee contains 3 undergraduates and the rest postgraduates. So total undergraduates are 2 plus 3, 5. Out of them, you should have selected 3, 5C3, and the remaining means total of a committee of 7 members, remaining 4. So 4 plus 5, 9. 5C3 into 9C4. 5C3 is same as how much? 5C2, which is 10. 9C4 is 126. So answer is 1260. Answer is 1260. 1260 is the answer. Next, question number 7. Income of Bablu and Meera are in the ratio 5:4 respectively, and their expenses are in the ratio 8:7 respectively. Bablu saves 10,000 rupees and Meera saves 5,000 rupees. If the income of Bablu is increased by 30,000 and income of Meera is increased by 10,000, find the new ratio of their savings. So here, please see here. 5x minus 10,000 saving by 4x minus 5,000. The expenditure ratio is 8:7. From this, what? 7 5 35, 8 4 32. So 70,000, 40,000. Thereby I will get 30,000. Thereby I got x as 10,000. X is 10,000 means income of Bablu is 50,000 and income of Meera is 40,000. Okay, so increased income new income of Bablu would be 80,000 because it is increased by 30,000, and new income of Meera increased by 10,000, 50,000. So what is the ratio here? 8 is to 5. 8 is to 5 is the answer. So next question. Speed of a bus is half of the speed of the train, and speed of a car is 3 by 2 of the speed of the bus. If the train covers a distance of 768 km in 16 hours, distance travelled by the bus in 5 hours is what percentage of the distance travelled by the car in 4 hours? So it is given that speed of the train is equal to 768 in 16 hours, thereby 48 km per hour. And speed of bus would be half of it, which is 24 km per hour. And speed of car 3 by 2 times of speed of the bus, which is 36 km per hour. Now distance travelled by the bus in 5 hours. Distance travelled by the bus, distance is equal to speed into time. 24 into 5, 120. Distance travelled by the car in 4 hours. In 4 hours is how much? Car speed is 36 into 4, 144. Now 120 is what percentage of 144? So answer is 5 by 6. 24 5 is 24 6. 5 by 6 means 83.33%. So answer is option 4. Next, question number 9. A shopkeeper sold an article at a discount of 10% on the market price and earned a profit of 12% on cost price. So cost discount of 10%, profit of 12%. Okay, so 112. So how much extra? 22 extra, right? So let me don't have this kind of confusion. Again, you will be confused. A shopkeeper sold an article at discount of 10% in the MRP, and he makes a profit of 12% cost price. Cost price of the article is from the shopkeeper is 1800. So if the shopkeeper marked the price of the article with 30% more, what percentage discount he should give to sell the article at the same selling price? Please see here, cost price of the article is 1800. There is an overall 12% profit. 12% of 1800 is 216. Thereby 2016 is the selling price. Okay, so thereby the shopkeeper marked the article for, so what will be the market price? The market price would be selling price is what? How much discount? 90%. 10% discount means 90% of market price is 2016. Thereby you can say the market price would be 9 how many times? 9 2 ja 18. 9 2 ja 18 more 2. 9 2 ja 18. So market price would be 9 2 ja so 2016. Simplify. So what will be the market price? The market price of the article would be 2240. How much? 2240. If the shopkeeper marked the article for 30% more, so new market price would be how much? 130% of 2240, which is 2912. But he has to sell for 2016 only. He has to sell for 2016 only. So how much discount has to be allowed? 2912 minus 2016, which is 896. 896 discount has to be given. 896 discount has to be given on 2912. It is what percentage? Very close to how much? 30%. So answer is very close to 30%, means 30.76. 30.76. A container contains 36 liters of milk. The milkman replaced certain liters of milk with water. This process is repeated one more time such that the ratio of quantity of milk left to the quantity of milk in the container is 9:16. The quantity of milk replaced each time would be how much? So already you have, so 9/16 is equal to 1 minus n by 36 whole square. 2 times it is repeated. So it is 3/4 whole square is equal to 1 minus n by 36 whole square. Simplifying this, you will get n as how much? 1 minus 1/4 is actually 3/4. So n would be actually 9. So the answer is 9. Answer is 9. Now, a case study is given. Some people went to a restaurant. On Friday night. Every person who went to the restaurant ordered at least one of the 3 items: fried rice, noodles and Manchurian. Number of people who ordered only fried rice, only noodles, only Manchurian are in the ratio 4:6:5. 4:6:5 respectively. Number of people who ordered all the 3 items are half of the number of people who ordered fried rice only. Number of people who ordered both fried rice and noodles but not Manchurian is 75% less than the number of people who ordered all 3 items. Number of people who ordered both Manchurian and noodles is 20% less than number of people who ordered both fried rice and noodles. Number of people who ordered both fried rice and Manchurian but not noodles is 20 less than number of people who ordered all 3 items. 380 people ordered Manchurian. 380 people ordered Manchurian. So please see here. This is fried rice, noodles and Manchurian. Find the total number of people who visited the restaurant on Friday. So if you see here, this is fried rice, noodles and Manchurian. It is given that who ordered Manchurian is 380. Fried rice and then noodles. Number of people who ordered only fried rice, only noodles and only Manchurian is in the ratio 4:6:5. This is 4:6:5. 4:6:5. It is 4x. It is 5. Noodles is 6x and it is 5x. Number of people who ordered all the 3 items are half of the number of people who ordered fried rice only. Fried rice, number of people who ordered all the 3 items. Number of people who ordered all the 3 items are half of the number of people who ordered fried rice only. So it is 2x. Fried rice only is 2x. Next, number of people who ordered both fried rice and noodles. But not Manchurian is 75% less than the number of people who ordered all 3 items. All 3 items is 2x. So thereby, number of people who ordered fried rice and noodles but not Manchurian would be 25% of 2x, which is 0.5x. 0.5x. Next, number of people who ordered both Manchurian and noodles. Both Manchurian and noodles is 20% more than both Manchurian and noodles means this much. This one is 20% more than number of people who ordered both fried rice and noodles. Who ordered both fried rice and noodles. Number of people who ordered both fried rice and Manchurian but not noodles. Is 20 less than the number of people who ordered all the three items. 380 people ordered Manchurian. 380 people ordered Manchurian. So what can be done now? Please try to understand here. Number of people who visited the restaurant on Friday night, total people are how many? So here some people went to restaurant. Every person who went to the restaurant ordered at least one of the three items: fried rice, noodles and Manchurian. Number of people who ordered only fried rice, only Manchurian, and see here, this total is given as how much? 380. This total is given as 380. Up to here it is fine. Now please see here, number of people who ordered Manchurian and noodles. Is 20% more than number of people who ordered both fried rice and noodles. Both fried rice and noodles, how many have ordered? 2.5x. 2.5x. उससे भी कितना? 20%. 2.5 in 2.5 20% is 1/5, 0.5 more. So this total is 3, means it is x. Next, number of people who ordered both fried rice and Manchuria. Both fried rice and Manchuria means this part. Fried rice is this one, Manchuria is this one. Fried rice and Manchuria, but not noodles. So fried rice and Manchuria but not noodles means this one. This one is 20 less than the number of people who ordered all three items. So it is 2x minus 20. It is 2x minus 20. So from this what you can say, this total is 380. So 2x minus 20 plus 2x plus x plus 5x is equal to 380. So 380 plus 20, 400. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 10, 8 plus 2, 10x is 400, thereby x is 40. X is 40. Thereby, see, total people are how many? Total people, please see, 4 into x, 160. Next, 6 into 40, 240. 5 into 40, 200. Plus 0.5 into 40, 20. Plus x, 40. Next, 2x minus 20. 2x is 80. 80 minus 20 is 60. Plus again 2x. 2x means how much? 80. This total would be how much you are going to get? 400 plus 200, 600. 600 plus 100, 700. 700 plus 100, 800. So answer is 800. First question answer is 800. 11th question answer is 800. Now how many people ordered only one of the three items? Only one of the three items means you have to take 4x, 6x, 5x. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15x is 15 into 40, which is 600. Next, if the person who ordered noodles paid 80 rupees more than the person who ordered noodles paid 80 rupees more than the person who ordered fried rice paid 100 rupees. The person who ordered noodles paid 80 rupees, and the person who ordered fried rice paid 100 rupees. Find the difference between the revenue generated by the restaurant by serving noodles and by serving fried rice. So what is the answer we are going to get? Number of people who ordered fried rice. Number of people who ordered fried rice, the total would be 320. Number of people who ordered noodles would be 380. So here the revenue is 320 into 100, which is 32,000. It is 380 into 80, which is 30,400. What is the difference between these two? Which is 1600. So answer is 1600. Answer is 1600. Next, number of people who ordered exactly two means exactly two of the three items is what percentage? Less or more than the number of people who ordered all three items. All three items is actually 2x, means 80. All three items is actually 80. Exactly two items is 20 plus 60 plus 40, which is 120. 120 is more than 80 by how much percentage? 120 is more than 80 by 40. Right? 120 is more than 80 by 40. 80 का कितना ये half. Half means 50 percentage. So answer is 50 percentage. Next question. What is the difference between number of people who ordered both fried rice and noodles? Both fried rice and noodles, and number of people who ordered both Manchurian and noodles but not fried rice. So both fried rice and noodles would be 20 plus 80, which is 100. Both Manchurian and noodles but not fried rice is how much? Actually 40. The difference between 100 and 40, which is 60, which is 60 is the answer. So 60 is the answer, none of these. Then next question number 16. So here see, the following table represents the amounts invested by 6 persons on simple interest and compound interest. Rate of interest, time period and interest earned are given. So if Amit invests, Amit, Puneet, Rupesh, Anush, Rakesh and Suraj. If Amit invests 20,000 rupees more, Amit's principal amount is actually 56,000. Okay, rate of interest is 8% and time period is 4 years. So accordingly, on 56,000 rupees, 32% will be the total interest, which is 17,920. 17,920. Then he invested 20,000 rupees more. So on 20,000 rupees more, again he will get additionally how much? 70. So thereby interest earned by Amit on 76,000 rupees for 4 years at 8% rate. It is nothing but I is equal to PTR by 100, which is 24,320. So initially he is supposed to get 17,920. Now he is getting 24,320. So he is to get 6,400 more. This 6,400 is what percentage of 17,920? It is approximately how much? More than one third. More than one third. 6,400. 6,400 threes are. 6,400 threes are how much? 19,000. 19,200. So it is less than 3. Less than 3. So answer is slightly more than 33.33. The nearest value is 36. 36. Next, 17th question. Rate of interest at which Puneet invested his amount is what percentage of the rate of interest at which Anuj invested his amount? So, Puneet, if you see 9168.768 compound interest. So, for how many years? 3 years. So, what would be the rate of interest? Here, the rate of interest would be, so the total amount you have principal amount you will have. So if you find the rate of interest of Puneet, you will get it as 6%. How much? 6%. Okay, next, what is the rate of interest of Anuj? Anuj simple interest 36,000, simple interest is 7,200 in 5 years. So 5 years it is 20%. So each year 4%. Each year 4%. The question is now, this is what percent of this? 6 is what percentage of 4? The answer is 150%. Okay, so here you have A 9168.768 plus 48,000, which is how much? 57,168. Yes or no? 57,168.768 is equal to 48,000 into 1 plus r by 100 whole power 3. If you simplify, you will get r as 6. R as 6. That is how you got 6 here. This is 6, this is 4, this is 150% of this. So answer is option 1. Now next again question. If Rupesh invested amount for 2 years, if Rupesh invested amount for 2 years, find his total amount after 2 years. Rupesh invested in compound interest. So question number 18, please see, for 2 years. For 2 years, what is the compound interest? It is given that amount invested by P into 1 plus R by 100, 1 plus R by 100, 1 plus 1 by 10 whole square minus 1. This is given as 8400. Okay. Am I correct or not? For 2 years, total amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square minus principal is equal to interest, that is 8,400. If I simplify this, how much I am going to get? 121 minus 100, which is P into 21 by 100, which is equal to 8,400. So I got P as 40,000. So principal amount is 40,000. The question is find the total amount after 2 years. The total amount after 2 years, 10% is the rate. So first year 4,000 interest, second year 4,400 interest, thereby total 48,400. The total amount after 2 years would be 48,400. Next, find the respective ratio of the amount invested by Suraj and Amit. Suraj and Amit. So here, please see, compound interest is how much here? 5125 in 2 years. So I can say 5125 is equal to P into the rate of interest is given 1 plus 5 by 100 whole square minus 1. So how much we are going to get here? 5125 is equal to P into, it is 21 by 20, 5 ones are 5 20s are. So 441 by 400, 441 minus 400, which is 41 by 400. Therefore from this you will get P as how much? 41 how many times? 125 times. 41 125 times, if I am correct. Am I correct? 41 how many times? 41 ones are 41. Yes. So thereby P is equal to 5. P is equal to 50,000. P is equal to 50,000 you are going to get. So 50,000. And in this case simply the principal amount is already known. So 50,000 is the investment of Suraj and 56,000 is the investment of Amit. The ratio would be 525 is 5 to 25 is 2 28 are 25 is to 28. Next, Rakesh invested his amount for 6 years. If Rakesh invested his amount for 6 years, 6 years, find the difference between the total amount of Rakesh and Anuj after completion of their respective years of investment. Anuj simple interest 36,000 5 years. Please see here simply here question number 20. The amount invested by Rakesh. The amount invested by Rakesh is not known. Okay, 6 years, 6% is the rate of interest. Okay, and it is for 6 years. It is for 6 years. So the interest earned is 15,120. So 36% would be 15,120. Thereby, the principal amount of Rakesh, 100% would be how much? 36 4s are 144. So it is 42,000. 42,000 is the Rakesh investment. And what is given Anuj? Anuj's amount of Rakesh. First of all, you need to know amount of Rakesh also. Amount of Rakesh should be 42,000 plus 15,120, which is 57,120. Similarly, Anuj, total amount of Anuj would be 36,000 plus 7,200, which is 43,200. Now, what is the difference of these two? Difference of these two would be how much? 57,120 minus 43,200. The difference is 13,920. So answer is option 4. 21 to 25. Again we have a DI based on different multiple charts are there. Percentage wise breakup of number of students in 6 cities: A, B, C, D, E, and F. So percentage of postgraduate students among college students, A, B, C, D, E, F. So school students to college students. Total number of students in all the cities together is 18,000. 18,000. So 12% is 2160. 24%. So 24% is how much? 24 18s are 4320. 10% is 1800. 20% is 3600. 8% is 1440. And 26% about F. Total number of students is how much? 26%. 26% means how much? 20 is 3600 plus 1080. 3600 plus 10. Total number of students of it is 4680. 4680. Okay. Now school students. Total number of students in all cities together. School to college. School to college is again 7:5. A. So it is. Let us go as per the question now. Let us go as per the question. Number of college students is equal to undergraduate plus postgraduate. Undergraduate plus postgraduate. This data is about postgraduates. Now please see. Number of undergraduate students in city A. In city A is approximately what percentage more or less than number of undergraduates in city B. So number of college students in city A. Number of college students in city A is how much? 5/12 of 12 parts is 2160. Each part is 180. Thereby 5 parts is 5 into 180. 900, and 7 parts should be school students. Now the data we don't want now. Now this is 900. Is approximately how much percentage more or less than number of graduate students in school B. In school B, the total college students are how much? 900. School A, total college students are 900. Total college students are 900. Number of undergraduate students. See, postgraduate 48. So undergraduate in school A is 52% of 900, which is 468. 468. Now next, what in school B? School B, number of undergraduates in school B. School B, the total is how much? 4320. 4320. 12 parts is 4320. 12 parts is 4320. Thereby 5 is how much? 5 by 9 of 4320. 5 by 9 of 4320. How much you are going to get? 2400. This is 2400. Okay, now B undergraduates 36 percentage. 36 percentage are postgraduates. So 64 percentage of 2400. 64 percentage of 2400 is 1536. 468 is what percentage of? 468 is what percentage of 1536. 468 is what percentage of 1536. It is the question. So it is very close to 70, but less than 70. Less than 70. So answer is 70% less. Less than 70%. Next, ratio of boys and girls among the school students in city D is 5:4. Find the difference between number of girls among school students and number of undergraduate students in school D. So in school D, total students are how much? 3600. Already we calculated. School D total are 3600. In city D, total students are 3600, and 4 parts are 3600. So 3 parts are 2700. So this is 2700. Okay, so this is 900. Okay, now the ratio of boys to girls in city D school, boys to girls 5:4. 9 parts is 2700. Each part 300. So boys are 1500 and girls are 1200. Girls are 1200. And number of college students in school D, in city D. In city D, total college students are 900. And if you see that in city D, 40% are postgraduates. So 60% of 900, which is 540. 540 are undergraduates in city D. In city D. Now find the difference between the number of girls 1200 and number of undergraduates. So it is 1200 minus 540, which is 660. So answer is 660. Next, 23. The ratio of boys and girls among the school students of F. F is 26%. F total is 4680. F total is 4680, and number of school students. F school is how much? F school students would be 7 by 13 of this 4680, which is 2520. 2520. And number of girls. Girls should be how much here? Girls should be 3 by 7th. 3 by 7th of 2520, which is 1080. And number of college is school, na? So college is how much? In college, number of college students of F would be how much? 6 by 13. 6 by 13 of 4680, which is equal to 2160. 2160. Thereby, number of girls girls students among the college students. Number of girls students, here girls, college girls, is how much? 5 by 9th of 2160, which is equal to 5 by 9th of 2160 is how much? It is 240 is a 5 240 is a 1200. This is 1200, this is 1080. Find the total number of girls. So 1080 plus 1080 plus 1200, which is equal to 2280. 2280. The answer is option 1. Next. Question number 64. 64. What is given here? Find the respective ratio of number of postgraduate students in city A and city E. So city A already we calculated what the total number of students is 2160. Out of that 5 by 12 are college students, and out of that 48% of the students are what? College going. Right. From this how much you are going to get? 48%. 48%. Am I correct or not? So 48% of 900, which is 432. 432. A. And what about E? E is how much actually? Number of college students in E. E total is 80,000. E total is number of students in E. Number of students in E is 1440. Number of students in E is 1440. Out of that college students are 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means how much? 1080. 1080. College students are 1080. Am I correct? And out of 1080, how much? How much is the postgraduate? 60%. So 60% of 1080 is 648. So 432 is to 648. What is the ratio? So it is how many times? 432 is to 648. It is nothing but 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. So 216 2s are, 216 3s are. So answer is 2 is to 3. Next, question number 25. 25. Find the difference between number of school students and number of postgraduates in city C. Number of school students in C. Number of school students in C would be 5 by 9th of 1800. 5 by 9th of 1800 would be 1000. And postgraduates. So out of 1800, if 1000 are school, college is 800. And out of this college, postgraduates is 52% of 800, which is 416. It is asked for difference of these two. 1000 minus 416 is 584. So answer is 584. Answer is 584. Right. Now questions based on numbers. 8 plus 1 9, 9 into 2 18. 8 plus 1 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, then 18. I am not taking that logic. Next, any other logic? See. Eight plus 1 into 10 is 18. 18 plus 2 into 9 is 36. 36 plus 3 into 8. 36 plus 24 is 60. 64 is wrong. 60 plus 4 into 7 is 88. Correct. So 64 is the round term. Next, 3, 10, 39, 275, 3155. So is 1 plus 2, 3, 3, okay, plus 1 power 1 is 3. Am I correct? 1 plus 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 2 into 3, 6 plus 2 square is 10. Now 3 into 4, 12 plus 3 cube is 39. Now 4 into 5, 20 plus 4 power 4 is 276. 275 is wrong number. Next, 4, 8, 25. So 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 square is 8. 8 into 2, 16 plus 8 into 2, 16 plus 3 square, 16 plus 9, 25. 25 into 3, 25 into 3, 75. 75 plus 4 square is 91. So 90 is the round term. Next, 43, 772. So 43 plus 9 cube is 772. So 772 minus 8 square is 708. 708 plus 7 cube is 1053. 1051. 1050 is the round. 9 cube, 8 square, so minus plus, number is decreasing, okay? So 1051. 1051 has to be there. That is the round term. 24,000 becomes 12,000. 24,000 becomes 12,000 means divided by 0.5. 12,000 into 0.5. Into 0.5. It is into 0.6. Next it has to be into 0.7. 7,200 into 0.7 is 5040. 5040. So the wrong number is 5020. 5020. Next. Question number 31 to 35. Please see here. There are total 2,400 students. Total 2,400 students in a IT batch. Ratio of boys to girls is 7:5. So 12 parts is 2,400. Each part is 200. So 7 parts is boys are 1,400 and girls are 1,000. Okay. Each student in the branch likes one of the programming languages C++, Java, Python and R. So C++, Java, Python and R. These are the languages. We have boys, girls, total. 40% of the total number of students like Python. Like Python. 40% of 2,400 is 960. So this total is 960. Next, ratio of the number of boys and girls who like Python is 5:3. 8 parts 960, each part 120. So it is 600, it is 360. Number of boys who like C++ is 10% less than number of boys who like Python. So if it is 600, 10% less than means 60 less, which is 540. Number of girls who like R is 20% less than number of girls who likes Python. 360 minus 72 is 288. 288. Ratio of number of boys and number of girls who like R is 7:12. So 12 parts is 288. 1224s are thereby 724s are 168. So total it will be 456. Now rest of the boys like Java. So out of total boys 1400 minus, if you subtract this, what is the remaining? You have 92, right? And ratio of number of boys and girls who like Java is 23 parts 92, 24 parts 96, 92 plus 96 is 188. The remaining total would be out of 2400, if this is subtracted, remaining is 796, and remaining girls would be 540 plus how much would be 796? 256. This is the thing. Number of girls who like C++, 256 is what percentage of boys who like Python? So 256 is what percentage of 600 is the question. So it is more than 42. Okay, more than 42. So answer is how much? Option 3. Option 3. Option 2. Option 2 is the answer. Next, find the respective ratio of number of boys who like C++, 540. Number of girls who like R is 288. So it is how much? 540 is to 288. 540 is to 288. How much is? 36 15s are 36 8s are. 15 is to 8. So the answer is 4. Now 33rd question. Find the difference between the total number of students who like Java. Total number of students who like Java is 188. Total number of students who like R is 456. What is the difference is asked. So 456 minus 188, which is equal to 268. So answer is 268. Next, number of girls who like Python. Number of girls who like Python is 360. 360 forms what percentage of total number of students who like Python? 360 is what percentage of 960. So it is 123 are 128 are. 3 by 8 means 37.5 percentage. So option 3. 35. Find the total number of boys who like Java and R. Liking Java boys are 92 and R 168. So sum of these two would be 260. So 260 is the answer. Now last 5 questions. See, 36th question. What do you have here? Tinu, Bolu, T, B and S enter into a partnership. Investment ratio 8:5:2. After 1 year, Renu joined with them with investment equal to sum of the initial investments of Bolu and Suman. Bolu and Suman means 7. After 1 more year, Bolu doubled his investment and Suman made his investment 3 times. At the end of 3 years, they earned a total profit of 1,36,000. So what is going to be the total investment? If you observe here, what is the total ratio of the shares of profit? Please see here. Here you have Tinu, Bolu, Suman and Renu. So one is 8x for 3 years directly, the other 5x for 2 years and then double 10x for 1 year. Then third person 2x for 2 years, then triple, so 6x. Then sum of these two 7x for 2 years. Thereby the ratio of the investment would be 12:10:5:7 after cancellation. Okay, so the total profit is 12 plus 10, 22 plus 5, 27 plus 7, 34 parts. If 34 parts is 136,000, each part is 4,000. Thereby Renu's profit would be 7 parts. Renu's would be 7 parts. 7 into 4,000, which is 28,000. So answer is 28,000. Answer is 28,000. Next, Ratio of the ages of T and S before 4 years was 7:6. After 4 years it will be 11:10. So the ratio of the present ages of Tapu and Nisha are 9:10. Please see here, 4 years ago the ratio of the ages of T and S is 7:6. After 4 years, the ratio of the ages will be 11:10. 11:10. This increase in 4 parts, this increase in 4 parts is because of 8 years. If 4 parts is 8 years, then 7 parts would be 4 into 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 means Tapu's present age. Tapu's present age would be 14 plus 4, 18. And Sonu's present age would be 12 plus 4, 16. Ratio of the present ages of Tapu and Nisha, present ages of Tapu and Nisha. Tapu and Nisha, present ages is how much? 9:10. 9:10. Thereby, Nisha's present age would be, as 9 parts is 18, 10 parts would be 20. Find the average of the present ages of Tapu, Sonu and Nisha. So Tapu is 18, Sonu is 16 and Nisha is 20. Average means by 3. So 18 plus 16, 34 plus 20. 34, 16, 18, 20. Average is 18. Average is 18. So answer is 18 years. Answer is 18 years. Next, simple interest on a certain sum at 5% per annum after 4 years would be 7,000. So you can say 4 years at 5%, that is 20% interest is given as 7,000. Therefore, the 100% principal amount would be 35,000, which is the principal. Now, compound interest on another sum. On another sum at 10% per annum after 2 years would be, so this is the first case. In case of second case, 21%. 2 years at 10% means it is 21%, 6,300. Thereby 21 threes are, thereby 100% would be 30,000, which is P2. If both the sums are invested together on compound interest, 35,000 and 30,000 for 3 years. For 3 years. Then the total amount after 3 years. After 3 years. So 65,000. 65,000 is invested on compound interest for 3 years. So 1 plus 8 by 100 whole power 3. So how much you are going to get? 65,000 into, it is 4 2 ja, 4 25 ja. So instead of that, better you don't cancel. Don't do cancellation. Right? So 108 by 100. 108 by 100. 108 by 100. 108 by 100. So how much you are going to get? 8 8 is 64. 64 8s are. So 3 zeros cancel. Okay. So 108. 108 into 10, the answer is very close to 81881.28. So answer is option 2. If you simplify with the help of compound interest, you will get the answer clearly. Next, Neena, Kamini and Tarun together can complete a piece of work in 10 days. Tarun and Rita together can complete the work in 15 days. Kamini and Rita together can complete the work in 20 days. Kamini and Tarun together can complete the work in 18 days. Neena started the work and left after 4 days. Find the number of days taken by Kamini and Tarun together to complete the work. So please see here, 1 by Neena, 1 day's work. 1 by Kamini plus 1 by Tarun is equal to 1 by 10. Also we have 1 by Tarun plus 1 by Rita as 1 by 15. And we also have 1 by Kamini plus 1 by Rita is 1 by 20. Okay. So otherwise you can also follow the what? If you are confusing with this, let me explain the what? Same work. 10, 15, 20, 18. So the LCM is 180. LCM is 180. Now take 1 day's work. Now take 1 day's work. Total is how much? 180. 180 units. So n plus k plus t in 1 day. 10 days 180. 1 day 18. Tarun and Rita 15 days 180. 1 day 12. Kamini and Rita 20 days 180. 1 day 9. Kamini and Tarun 18 days 180. 1 day 10. 1 day 10. So please see here Tarun and Rita. So what I am doing is I am subtracting this from this. Then what do I get? 1 by Rita. So what I am going to get? 1 by so Tarun I am going to get, I am subtracting this from this from this. So what I am going to get? T minus R. K cancel. So if I solve these two, T Tarun, T minus R is equal to how much? 10 minus 9, 1. T plus R is 10, T minus R is 1. Thereby it is 2T is equal to 13, T is equal to 6.5. If T is 6.5, then R would be 5.5. R would be 5.5. So K plus R is 9. So K would be 3.5. N plus K plus T is 18. K plus T is 10. So N would be 8. Now the question is, find the number of days taken by Kamini and Tarun. Kamini and Tarun. 3.5 plus 6.5. Kamini is 3.5, Tarun is 6.5. So Kamini and Tarun together is how much? 6.5 plus 3.5 is 10. Am I correct or not? Am I correct or not? It is given that Tarun and Rukmini together 12 na? So 6.5, 5.5. And K plus R is 9. K plus R is 9 means it is 5.5, so it is 3.5. So K, am I correct or not? K plus T is 10. K plus T is 10. So it is asked for Kamini and Tarun together to complete the work in how? So see here, Nina started the work and left after 4 days. What is Nina capacity? Nina worked for 4 days. 4 into 8, 32 units Nina is doing alone. Out of 180, if 32 is done, the remaining is 148. The remaining is 148. 148 is done by K and D 10 per day. So it is 72, 74 are 2 5s are. So it takes 74 by 5 days. 74 by 5 days. Now last question for today. A path of width 4 meter is running around a rectangular field of length 24 meter and breadth 18 meter. So length, a path around a rectangular field. So there is a rectangular field, 24 meter length and 18 meter breadth. There is a path around this which is 4 meter. Find the cost of flooring the path. The cost of flooring the path. What is the cost of flooring the path? What is the area of the path? So 24 plus 8, 32. 18 plus 8, 26. 32 into 26 minus 24 into 18. This is the path area at the rate of 300. At the rate of 300. So how much you are going to get? 32 into 26 is 832. 24 into 18 is 432 at the rate of 300. So 400 into 300, which is 12,000. 12,000 rupees. So answer is 400 into 300, which is 4 3s are 12. So it is 12,000. 12,000. So what is the answer? 12,000. Am I correct or not? Right. So answer is 12,000. It is not 1,20,000. It is 12,000. It is 12,000. 32 into 26 is 832. This is 24 into 18. How much? 432. Difference is 400. So this is the path area. Path area is 400 meters square. Per meter square it is 300. So 400 into 300 would be how much? 400 into 300. It is this much. So answer is how much? 1,20,000. 1,20,000. 1,20,000. The answer is 1,20,000. So this is today's quant paper discussion. Okay. So I hope all of you have followed the session. So see here, one thing you need to understand. Whenever we are doing the mains paper discussion, I am going a bit faster because I feel that I have to take it granted that you already know fundamentals. Just you have to understand the pattern of the questions and you have to go in parallel with me. In parallel with me, thereby you can practice more number of questions. If I am teaching very slowly, then these 40 questions will take 2.5 hours, 3 hours time, which is actually nothing but wasting your time. That's the reason I am trying to go as per the examination requirement. Those who are able to follow me like in 1 hour 20 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, whatever the paper I am explaining, these 40 questions if you can follow, it means that you are ready for the exam. Okay, so if you have any doubts, still you can have the option to go through the paper once again and make your doubts clarified. And if you, in case if you feel it faster, then what you can do is you can reduce the pace of the video. Okay, right, speed up the video. Right then, thank you so much. We'll again connect with our next paper discussion. Thank you.
Okay. Hope you all loved the video and we added some value to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel firstly. And if you are looking to join for the banking program or for SSC or for the RRB, so don't go further. You have the option of an online class, offline class, or even hybrid mode, or even the recorded classes. Whichever is your easy mode of access, please do join for that. And how to join, the details, everything is given below in the description. You can go back and check it out. And our Learncrew app is available both on Play Store as well as on the App Store. Check it out and download it and have the complete subscription for it.